Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. Students, how was your exam today? Reply your score in comment box. In this session, I will solve all the questions in detail of Math Pre-Annual Question Paper 2024. If you want to check your answer, then see the session till end. Okay, so let's start the session. First, question number 1. The value of 13 square minus 5 square equal to dash. So first we use rough, means 13 square means 169 minus 5 square 25 square root is equal to 9 minus 5 equal to 4, then 6 minus 2 equal to 4, then 144 square root equal to 12. The correct answer is option number C is the correct answer. Next question, question number 2. Cube root 10 cube plus 9 cube minus 1 cube means 10 cube means 1000 plus 9 cube 729 minus 1 cube root is equal to 1000 means 1000 plus 728, because when minus 1 then it becomes 728 cube root is equal to 1728 cube root is equal to 12. The correct answer is 12. Next question, question number 3. If 4 to the power x is equal to 256 square root, find the value of x, then we can write 264 as 4 to the power 4, yes or no? Then square root means when you convert into exponential form, then we multiply 1 by 2 in power. So 4 to the power x is equal to 4 to the power 4 by 2 means 2, then x equal to 2. The correct answer is option number C. Next question, question number 4. 0.00064 means we can write 0.2 whole to the power 6, again whole to the power minus 5 by 6, then power means we multiply, means 0.2 into 6 into minus 5 by 6, 6 cancel. We can write 0.2 as 2 by 10 whole to the power minus 5, then 10 by 2 whole to the power plus 5 is equal to 5 to the power 5 is equal to 3125. The correct answer is option number A. Okay. Next question, question number 5. The coefficient of x, the product of, first you multiply. Question number 5 means 2x whole into 3x plus 2 plus 5 whole into 3x plus 2. Then multiply 2 3 ja 6x square plus 3 2 2 ja 4x plus 15x plus 10. Then we add this number, that is 6x square plus 15 plus 4 19x plus 10. Then the coefficient of x is 19. Okay, the correct answer is option number B. Understand? Next question. Question number 6. In the given figure, if L parallel M, then the value of x equal to dash. We know that 6 number x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree, because co-interior angle. Now 3x is equal to 180 degree, x equal to 180 degree divided by 3 is equal to 60 degree. So therefore x equal to 60 degree. Correct answer is A. Next question, question number 7. The measure of an exterior angle of regular polygon is 60. Okay. Then the number of the sides, then we divide 360. Okay. 360 divided by 60, then 0 cancel, 6 the answer is 6. The number of sides are 6. Next question. Question number 8. The distance between the point. So how to find? Now simply you can minus 11 minus 3 is equal to 11 minus 3 equal to 8. The answer is option number C. Next question. When the diameter of the base of the cylinder is half, okay, means suppose let the diameter is D. Now the diameter original new diameter becomes half, means D by 2. Then height is double, original is h, and the new height is equal to 2 into h. Then first find the original volume. Volume equal to pi r square h. R means D by 2. Okay. Then pi D by 2 whole square h. Now solve. Pi d square h divided by 4. Now in this case volume is equal to, volume of new equal to pi r square h, pi into r equal to d divided by 4. Okay. Then d by 4 whole square into 2h. Then pi into d square divided by 16 into 2h, cancel 2h. So pi d square divided by 8h. Means when we multiply into 1 by 2, then it becomes the new volume. Then it becomes half of the original volume. Means new is equal to the new volume is equal to 1 by 2 into original volume. Yes or no? So volume becomes half. So correct answer is option number B. Next question. 2 cube, each side 5 centimeter. Okay, this is 1 cube and the side is 5 centimeter. Join to end means is also 5 centimeter. Then the total surface area. The total surface area formula means it becomes a cuboid. Yes or no? Cuboid formula means 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Now put the value, that is 2 whole into L means 10. 10 into B means 5 plus B means 5 into H means 5 plus L means 10 into 5. Now multiply 2 into 50 plus 25 plus 50. Then 50 plus 50 100. 125. 125 into 2 is equal to 250. The correct answer is 250 centimeter square. Clear? Next question. Assertion and reason. The distance point A 5, 4 from the y-axis is 5 unit. How to solve this? First you draw a graph, that is x-axis and y-axis. Then first find the point, that is 5 and 4. X means 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And y in y-axis, that is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Means that the point is here. Yes or no? That is 5, 4. The distance from the point A from the y-axis. Y-axis means this distance. This distance becomes 5 centimeter or 5 unit. The assertion is correct. True. Any point lying on the y-axis in the form of 0, y. It is false. The correct answer is A is true, R is false. Option number C. Next question. A quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, a quadrilateral ABCD. Then AB equal to 4.5 centimeter. BC equal to 5 centimeter. CD equal to 3.8 centimeter and DA equal to 4 centimeter. The diagonal AC equal to 8 centimeter, then cannot be constructed. Okay. Then use the triangle property. Sum of two sides greater than third side means 4 plus 3.8 is less than 8. So this quadrilateral we cannot construct. So it is correct. True. In a triangle, sum of the length of any two sides is always greater than the third side. Also correct, and the correct explanation. So option number A is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. Case-based questions. Question number 13. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. First, the mark price of the computer is given, that is 50,000. Discount is 10%. Okay. And the mark price of the washing machine given means selling price given, that is 25,200, and the discount is 20%. First question, the discount received by the customer on the computer is, means in computer the MP is equal to 50,000, yes or no, and the discount equal to 10%. So find the discount. Discount means 10%. Find the discount means 10% of 50,000, yes or no. Means 10% means 10 divided by 100 into 50,000. Then 10 cancel, it also cancel, that is 5,000. So discount equal to 5,000. Option number B is the correct answer. Next question. Formula of the SP. When the MP and the discount are given, you always remember when you find the SP, 100 plus discount in the numerator. So answer is SP equal to MP into 100 minus discount divided by 100. B is the correct answer. Next question. Find the MP of the washing machine. Then third I. MP is equal to SP into 100 divided by 100 minus discount percentage. So SP equal to 25,200 into 100 divided by 100 minus discount means 20%. So equal to 25,200 into 100 divided by 80. Then 10 cancel. 8 3 ja 24, 8 1 ja 8, 8 5 ja 40, that is 31500 rupees. Okay, the mark price of the washing machine is 31,500 rupees. So our question number third I, our question, find the SP of the computer. So write down the formula. SP equal to MP 100 minus discount percentage divided by 100. So MP equal to 50,000 into 100 minus 10 divided by 100. So 50,000 into 90 divided by 100. These 0 cancel. 9 5 ja 45. 3 ta 0 means 45,000. Understand? Next question. Also case study 2. In a hospital, 30 patients were admitted and the pulse rate were recorded as follow. Okay. First question, the range of the data. What is range? Means maximum observation minus minimum. Find the maximum. The maximum is find maximum value, that is 80, 81. Okay, highest is 81, yes or no? Yes, highest is 81. The range equal to 81 minus lowest. Find the lowest. The lowest is 60, 61, 60. Okay, Okay, lowest is 60, so minus 60, so 1, 8 minus 6 equal to 2, that is 21. So range equal to 21. Next question, class size. Class size means you can minus the upper limit minus lower limit. So class size is equal to upper limit minus lower limit. So 65 minus 60 is equal to 5. So class size is 5. Option number A is the correct answer. Okay. Next, in the which class interval the maximum? First you should find the interval, that is 60 to 65. Find the number of the frequency, that is 60 to 65. 1, 2, 3, count 3, 4, 5, then 5, then 65 to 70, 65 to 71, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 72, 75, count 72, 75, 72, 75, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, sorry, 9, so 9, 10, 11, 12, then 13, 14. So maximum, in which class interval the maximum number of the patients are there? Now that is 70, 75 interval, and how many there? There are the 14s. Okay, the answer is there are 14 patients are there. Next question, or question, find the class mark of the class interval in which the minimum number of the patient. Okay, then calculate 75 to 80. 75 to 80 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 80 to 85, count 80 to 85 is 1, okay, 1. So what is the class mark? The class mark is 80 to 85. Clear? Next question. Find the smallest number by which 864 must be multiplied so that the product becomes a square, perfect square. Means first we find the prime factor. Prime factors of 864 are, calculate 2 4 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 8 ja, 2 5 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 7 ja, 3 9 ja, 3 3 ja. Okay, then 3 1 ja. Then write down is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. How many? 1 2 3 4 5. 2 into 2 into 2 and 3 into 3 into 3. Then pair 1 2. It also pair. Then write down the factor, the prime factor. The prime factor 2 and 3 does not make but does not form a pair, so we multiply 2 into 3, that is 6, to make it perfect square. Okay, so therefore the smallest number is 6. Therefore the smallest number is 6. Next question. Find x. Okay, 16 number. 8 square minus 7 square whole to the power x is equal to 3 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3. Then solve. 8 square means 64 minus 49 whole to the power x is equal to 3 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3. Now minus 4 minus 9, that is 5. Then 5 minus 4 equal to 1. 15 to the power x is equal to, we can write 3 into 5 whole to the power 3, yes or no? Now 15 to the power x equal to 15 to the power 3. So x is equal to 3 is the correct answer. Clear? Next question. Question number 17. Find the amount. Okay, we find the amount. So amount, first write down the formula. Amount equal to P whole into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power N, where N is the time period, R is the rate of interest, P the principal. Now put the value, that is 15000. 1 plus R equal to 8 by 100 whole to the power time equal to 2. Then 4. Okay, cancel that is 15,000. 108 by 100 whole to the power 2. Now 15000 into 108 by 100 into 108 by 100. Now cancel. 20 cancel. Again 10 cancel. 5 2 ja, 5 3 ja. 2 cancel, that is 2 5 ja 10. 2 4 ja. Now multiply 3 into 54 into 108, that is 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, 116 into 108. Now multiply 162, 108, 8 2 ja 16, carry 1, 8 6 ja 48, 49, carry 4. Then 8 1 ja 8, 4, 12, 0 0 0, 1 6 2. Now add 6 9 4 7, then 1. The answer is 17496. Okay, rupees. Next question. Factorize. Question number 18. 2 minus 18x square. First you take the common 2, that is 1 minus 9x square. Now write down in identity 3 like 2 whole into 1 square minus 3x whole square. Now 2a square minus b square. Formula is by identity 3 equal to a plus b whole into a minus b. Now put a means 1 plus 3x whole into 1 minus 3x. Clear? Next question, or factorize, that is x square minus y minus z whole square is equal to a plus y minus z, then a minus y minus z bracket, then again bracket. Now open the bracket, that is x plus y minus z whole into x minus y plus z. Clear? Next question. 19. Solve. Okay. 7 minus x divided by 5x plus 1 equal to 3. By cross multiply method, we can write 3 into 5x plus 1 is equal to 7 minus x. Now multiply 3 5 ja 15x plus 3 is equal to 7 minus x. Then the arrange, that is 15x plus x equal to 7 minus 3. Now 15x minus x, that is 14x is equal to 7 minus 3 equal to 4. That implies x equal to 4 by 14 equal to 2 by 7. So x equal to 2 by 7. Okay. Then 20 number. In the given figure, 1 is 62. Okay. 2 equal to 108. Then we can write, suppose let this is 3. Then we can write 3 is equal to 2. In bracket we can write vertical opposite angle. Yes or no? So 3 equal to 18. Now 1 angle plus 3 angle is equal to 62 plus 118. We can write 180. So we can write M parallel N by co-interior angle. Clear? Next question. The length of the pair of adjacent side of a rectangle. Okay. First draw a rectangle. This is a rectangle and ABCD. Adjacent side means AB and BC are in ratio, that is 4x and 3x. Let adjacent side of rectangles are 3x and 4x. Diagonal equal to 20 centimeter. Find the length. We know that each angle of a rectangle is 90 degree. Yes or no? So write down triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Yes or no? A right angle triangle. Then we can say that by Pythagoras theorem, we can put AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square means 20 square is equal to AB means 3x whole square plus 4x whole square. Now we can solve, that is 9x square plus 16x square, that is 25x square equal to 400. So that implies x square equal to 400 divided by 25. So that implies x equal to 400 divided by 25 square root, that is 20 divided by 5, that is 4. Okay, x equal to 4. Questions that find the length of the side of the rectangle. Then you can find the length, that is AB is equal to 3 into 4 equal to 12 centimeter and BC equal to 4 into 4 equal to 16 centimeter. Clear? or question. Okay, space 9. An exterior angle or question. An exterior angle of the parallelogram. Okay, this is a parallelogram. Okay, this is exterior angle, that is 70 degree. Then find all the interior angle. We know that suppose this is A, B, C, D. Write down A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Okay, parallelogram where DCX angle is equal to 70 degree, but we know that DCB plus DCX is equal to 180 degree linear pair. Then we can find DCB is equal to 180 degree minus 70. So minus, that is 110 degree. Okay. So now this is a parallelogram. We can write AB parallel CD. Yes or no? AB parallel CD. We can say that B angle plus DCB angle equal to 180 degree, means co-interior angle. So find B is equal to 1, or directly you can say that B is equal to 70 degree corresponding angle. Yes or no? So also we know that the opposite angle of the parallelogram are equal, means B equal to D is equal to 70 degree. Now A equal to DCB is equal to 110 degree. So therefore all angle of the parallelogram are 70, 110, 70, 110 degree. Clear? Next question, question number 22. A dice is thrown once. What is the probability of the getting a prime number? First, we know that if a dice is thrown, it either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, 5 or 6. In this number, there are 1 prime number. This is another prime number. This is also, there are the 3 prime number. So write down probability of a prime number is equal to, there are the 3 prime number divided by total is 6. So 3 by 6 equal to 1 by 2. Now find B. Find the probability, a multiple of 2. Find out multiple of 2, this 1, 2, 3. It is also 3. Then 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. Clear? Next question. 3 numbers are in the ratio 3:4:5. So write down, let 3 numbers are 3x, 4x and 5x. According to question, sum of their cube, means we can say that 3x whole square plus 4x whole square plus 5x whole square is equal to 27,000. Then 27x square plus 16x square, the cube, 64x cube plus 125x cube is equal to 27,000. Now add 5, 4, 9, 7, 16, 6, calculate 1, then 2, 6, 8, 2, 10, 1, 11, sorry 2, 6, 8, 8 to 10, 1, 11, 1 character 1, 1 you 1 2, 216 x cube is equal to 27000. Now x cube is equal to 27000 divided by 216. Now cancel. X equal to cube root is equal to 27000 divided by 216, that is 30 divided by 6, that is 5. Okay, x equal to 5. So write down the numbers are 3 into 5, that is 15. 4 into 5 equal to 20, then 5 into 5 equal to 25. Clear? Next. Question number 24. 4 to the power x minus 4 to the power x minus 1 is equal to 24. Find the value of x. This question is directly from top 5 selected questions. Then first solve 4 to the power x minus 4 to the power x minus 1 equal to 24. Then we can say that 4 to the power x divided by 4 to the power 1, because we know that a by b whole to the power n, a to the power m minus n, we can say that a to the power m divided by a to the power n. Okay. Now 24, now take common 4 to the power x, then 1 minus 1 by 4 equal to 24. 4 to the power x, then LCM 4, 4 minus 1 equal to 24. Now 4 to the power x into 3 by 4 equal to 24. Now 4 to the power x equal to 24 into 4 by 3, 3 8 ja, that is 32. 4 to the power x, now convert 2 to the power 2 x is equal to 2 to the power 5, then 2 to the power 2x equal to 2 to the power 5, then 2x equal to 5, x equal to 5 by 2 is the correct answer. Okay, next question or question. 3 to the power x minus 1 equal to 9. First convert 9 as 3 power, that is 3 to the power x minus 1 equal to 3 square. So x minus 1 is equal to 2. Okay. Now x equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So x equal to 3. Now again find 4 to the power y plus 2 equal to 64. Now 4 to the power y plus 2 equal to 4 to the power 3. So the y plus 2 equal to 3, y equal to 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Now find y to the power x minus x by y is equal to y means 1, x means 3, minus x means 3, y means 1 equal to LCM 3. 1 minus 9, that is 8 divided by 3 is the correct answer. Understand? यदि वीडियो पसंद लगे देन वीडियो को लाइक करो, देन चैनल न्यू अच्छो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करी बेल आइकन को क्लिक कर दियो, जब भी वीडियो अपलोड करी फर्स्ट तुमको नोटिफिकेशन शो करिवो. ओके, कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. इन ए कैंप. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. First, draw a table. This is direct and inverse variation question. First, write down number of students, that is 500, and number of days equal to 30 days. Again 100 more students, that is 600, and how many days, that is x. So this is the case of inverse variation. Okay, so we can write 500 into 30 is equal to 600 into x. So x is equal to 500 into 30 divided by 600. 0 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 3 2 ja, 2 cancel, 2 25. So x is equal to 25 days. Clear? Next question. Simplify. Question number 26. 2x plus 3y whole square minus 2x minus 3y whole square. Put the identity 1, that is a whole square plus b whole square plus 2 into a into b minus bracket a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. Now multiply, that is 4x square plus 9y square plus 2 2 ja 4 3 ja 12xy minus 4x square plus 9y square minus 12xy. Now open the bracket, that is 4x square plus 9y square plus 12xy minus 4x square minus 9y square plus 12xy. Now cancel, is equal to 12xy plus 12xy is equal to 24xy. Clear? Next, odd number. X plus 1 by x equal to 9. Find root x plus 1 by root x. Okay, then we know that root x plus 1 by root x whole square is equal to root x whole square plus 1 by root x whole square plus 2 into root x into 1 by root x. Yes or no? Then root x cancel. Then root x square x plus 1 by root x square 1 by x plus 2. Then now put the value, that is 9 plus 2 equal to 11. So root x plus 1 by root x equal to 11 square root. Okay, so answer is square root 11. Clear? Next question. Divide. So minus 1 plus x to the power 4 by minus 1 plus x. So first write down x to the power 4 plus 0 into x to the power 3 plus 0 into x to the power 2 plus 0 into x minus 1 divide x minus 1. Now x into x cube is equal to x to the power 4. Now multiply, plus minus minus x to the power 3 and change the sign, plus minus cancel, x cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus 1 again plus x square equal to x to the power 3 plus minus minus x square, change the sign, cancel, then x square plus 0x minus 1, now plus x, that is x square minus x, change the sign, plus minus cancel, x minus 1 plus 1, that is x minus 1, then plus minus cancel 0. And verify your answer. Now verify. We know that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Divisor means x minus 1, quotient means x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, remainder means 0. Now multiply x into x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 whole into minus 1 into x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Now multiply x to the power 4, x cube plus x square plus x minus x cube minus x square minus x minus 1, then cancel, equal to x to the power 4 minus 1, verified. Okay.